Now, let's in the meantime take a look at how the leaders from the opposition, including that the Congress, have been reacting to these protests by the students there. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also weighing in as far as she goes on to say, and I quote, बिहार में 3 दिन से अंदर दूसरी बार छात्रों पर अत्याचार किया गया। परीक्षाओं में भ्रष्टाचार, धांधली, पेपर लीक रोकना सरकार का काम है, लेकिन भ्रष्टाचार रोकने की जगह छात्रों पर आवाज उठाने से रोका उन्हें जा रहा है। इस कड़ाके की ठंड में युवाओं पर पानी की बौछार और लाठीचार्ज करना अमानवीय है। भाजपा का डबल इंजन युवाओं पर डबल अत्याचार का प्रतीक बन गया है। This is how, as far as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra seems to be reacting, as staring into the BJP and the JDU Sarkar, claiming that the students have been tortured twice in 3 days, where she says that the students' voice is being muzzled, their protest is being stopped, and the students have been prevented from raising their voice against when it comes to their demand, and they have been insisting that they want to directly meet with the Chief Minister. She's been calling the actions by the police as well as inhuman. Let's get in a word from Nyamika right now. Nyamika, the opposition parties there getting that ammo to attack when it comes to the double engine ki sarkar of BJP and JDU in Bihar. However, there have been several questions that have been raised, but when it comes to the protests that have also been taking place, that too also seems to be fueled by other factors.
Well, yes, absolutely. As the Congress party has been quite vocal about the students' demands, and for that reason, now it is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who is the Congress party's MP as well as General Secretary, who has come out in open, and she has also mentioned that how this is for the second time in the past 3 days in Bihar when such kind of behavior has been done by the police upon the protesting students there. As for that reason, she has also mentioned that how water cannon and lathi charge has been done on the youth who are holding this protest in this harsh cold, which she is calling is inhuman, and she has also attacked the double engine government there by saying that the BJP's double engine has become a symbol of double atrocities upon the youth. So that is clearly the Congress party's take upon the protesting students which are being there. Earlier also we have seen that not just Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, but in fact Rahul Gandhi had also tweeted about the demands which are being put forward by the students of Bihar, and for that reason the Congress party is saying that it is the responsibility of the government of Bihar to stop the corruption, and whatever the demands are being there by the students of Bihar, that is absolutely right, and it is the responsibility of the Bihar government to listen to their voices rather than doing atrocities against the protesting students there.
All right. Thank you, Nyamika, for joining in. Where not just the RJD, the Congress and other opposition parties raising their voice against the protest by the BPSA aspirants that happened in Bihar's Patna. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.